Namaskara. If you are in a hotel industry or a hotels or restaurant and you are struggling to have a conversation with the customer, these sentences will help you a lot in your conversation. The first one is, what do you want? Een beku. How much do you want? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? Do you want anything else? ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾ? So if you want to say it is 400 rupees, then you would say 400 rupees ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, you can even exclude the ಆಯ್ತು, that is completely fine. Then if you want to ask, is it card or a cash? Then you can simply say carda, casha. And if the person gives you 2000 rupees note, then if you don't have a change, then you have to say I don't have a change. Then how do you say it? Change illa, please. Change kodi. Change illa, please change kodi. Or UPI ಮಾಡಿ card kodi. Simple. So practice this and I'll meet you all with another video. Namaskara.